Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. Welcome, y'all. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm coming to you all today. I want to show y'all how I make my black bean collard greens wrap. You could say it's a wrap because I'm using these corn tortillas, but I eat mine like it's a taco. Okay, so we have some romaine lettuce. I've already washed it. I'm going to be cutting up a red onion, an avocado, a tomato. I'm going to be also, of course, I said black beans, so it's going to be black beans, and these are the black beans that I'm using. I have some collard greens right here that I'm going to put it in the mix, and of course my tortillas. So let's go ahead and get this ball rolling, okay, y'all. So as you can see, I have diced my onion. I have some garlic powder and some garlic salt, and I put some onion powder in my mix. Now whenever I'm making something, I try to make sure that I season it really good because I don't like to add on salt. I don't like to add extra salt if I don't have to. So I got that in the skillet. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is I'm going to add my collard greens. Okay, so I'm going to add those. And then I'm going to open up my can of Bush's black beans. Okay, let's get this ball rolling. Okay, y'all. So I put my tortilla in the skillet because I like for mine to have like a little crispy, like for it to be a little crispy on both sides. So I did not have any coconut oil, so I used just a smidge bit of butter, and I'm gonna let that brown on both sides. Okay, y'all, so this is what I mean when I say a little brown. See that? That's how I like to eat my tortillas. Okay, y'all, so I have also taken the liberty to cut up my avocado, romaine lettuce, and my tomato. Now whenever I'm making my taco, I always make sure that I put all my seasonings in my mix. Because that way I don't like to add any extra salt or pepper or anything like that to my food. So I always make sure that I season it very, very well so that I don't have to add anything extra. Okay, y'all, so here it is, okay? I like it a little toasty on both sides. I cannot eat it like this. All right, so basically the next thing I'm going to do, I have everything already cut up, and I'm just going to go ahead and start preparing it. Meaning I'm going to go ahead and add on my lettuce. I'm going to add on my lettuce. Okay, got my lettuce on. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of my mixture. This is the black beans and greens. Black beans and greens, and I also cut up an onion in it as well. And like I said, what I do is I always make sure that I put all my seasonings in my mixture, so I don't have to worry about that. And then I'm going to add my tomatoes on. No, I'm sorry, y'all. Not my tomatoes. I'm going to add on my avocado. That's next. This is so good. When I say good, I mean this is like whoops, over the top good. Okay, I got some food right there too. And then I'll add my very last thing is my tomato. Now I made some of these early this morning, y'all, and a lot of times when I make my mixture, I make so much of it that I just want to make sure that I either eat it all or refrigerate it. Clean that up. So now I'm going to go ahead and give this a little taste, and this is what it looks like. It is good, y'all. Like when I say good, I mean good. This is delicious. Look. black beans, greens, and this is meatless. It has no meat in it. From time to time, I do eat dishes like this because I think I've gotten accustomed to just eating just vegetables. And that was a really good experience for me, y'all. A really good experience. But this is so good. Delicious. So, with that being said, I just want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for joining me. I greatly appreciate all of y'all's support, especially for my super supporters, for those of you who watch pretty much everything that I do. So I'm going to thank y'all. And until my next upload, y'all, peace and blessings. See ya.